Guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be unboxing this nice clean sneakers from kickify. So guys, first of all, these sneakers, they are long overdue. I've been waiting for them and I just got them. I can't wait no longer. So me, I already opened the box because I wanted to make sure that this is what I was unboxing. And yeah, so guys, when them send off your package is going to come well secure, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh my god, so the little thing, you have to make sure that your shoes don't get damaged. Here's the box. Oh my god, are you guys seeing this? Like when I see this, the real OG right here. So guys, I got my shoes in size 40. What? They say UK 6. Size 7. Listen. Alright guys, so this name Air Force 1 Low Travis Scott. Let me show you guys what's going on. Let me show you guys what's going on right there. So there you have it. There you have it, okay? But here's the deal though, right? Alright, so let's pull here first. So I pull right this up first. What are you doing? Give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. We're opening the box. We're opening the box. Wait, let's just push that. Woo! And the box is open. Oh my god. We have goodies, guys. We have goodies. Can you stop? We have goodies, guys. We have goodies. I'm doing a vlog. Alright, so I guess these are just some this is from Nike. I'm not sure what this is, but yeah. So these guys, as I said, we have goodies. So see me have some extra Nike stickers that I can take off this thing. Travis Scott. So I can take off these and put them onto the shoes. But let's see, guys. Let's open it. Damn, she's giving. Isn't she giving, guys? Come on, start the short. And here's the other foot. Johnny, come put on this up on my foot so I can't go bend down. Woo! The box. The box step on a vibe. Alright, guys.
Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you, go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo.